Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make another transition like we just made a day or two ago. Except for this one you can do in the free version. You don't have to have Magic Mask. I have two clips on the timeline. Let's get this out of the way. I have to use this on-screen keyboard because I'm paralyzed. I can't use my hands and arms. That's why it's up on the screen. Put your playhead right between the clips. Right click on the right one. Retime controls. Then click this little diamond. This is the same as the other one, this part. The rest won't be. Freeze frame. Then go up here and click here. You want to be anywhere between 15 and 20 frames on a 30 FPS like me. If you're on a different frame rate, you may have to adjust accordingly. I'm going to go 20. Then you want to drag this point back to the playhead. And to cut it, on Windows, Control, \. I'm not sure about Mac. And scrub the playhead. Make sure the rest is still a video. And at 20 seconds is a still. Then hold the Alt key down and drag a copy up. Highlight both of them. Right click. New Fusion clip. Set it up like that. The playhead over the Fusion clip and go to Fusion. Select the media in 2. Get a polygon. I don't have a metal mouse wheel on my controller. It's a handicap controller. I have to operate with my mouth. That's why I use that drop-down menu. In case you guys wonder why I do that. You don't have to be very precise with the masking because the animation is so quick, you don't notice it. Make sure you close the loop. And delete the keyframe. Right click on the polygon. Copy. Click away right here. And paste. Merge it into the media in 1. And invert it. And then select the merge one. Go to center Y. Take it up to 1.5. Put the playhead on frame 0. Go to merge 2. Take the center Y down to -0.5. And set a keyframe. I'm going to advance to frame 9. Take that back to 0.5. Advance 1 frame, frame 10. Select merge 1. Set a keyframe on the center Y. Take the playhead all the way to the end and bring the center Y back down to 0.5. And if you want to add any blur to it, select the merge. Go to settings, motion blur. And play with the sliders. Set it to your liking. And if you want to do the bottom, do the same thing. Select the merge 2, settings, and that'll give you blur on the bottom. Which I think is a little too much. Just the top is good for me. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.